Welcome back to another how-to video on our van build, and today we're going to be talking about sound deadening and everything that you're going to need to know how to do your own sound deadening. So come with us while we talk about the products we have. The products that we decided to go with is from a company called Car Builders. It's a 3-stage system. You have sound deadening as stage number 1, you have a van liner as stage number 2, it's a 10mm thick, and then stage number 3, you're gonna have a van seal. We'll run through each stage as we're installing them. Car Builders also supply you with a tool kit, which is super convenient. The main tools you're gonna need is this roller, so you'll use this part here, and then you're also gonna use this part, and a knife. These are probably the 2 main tools you're gonna need to get this job done. So for stage 1, we have 6 boxes for our Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase, and this is where we're gonna be putting them. They need to go onto these outside panels here. They won't go on these walls, these parts here. You don't need to stick them onto there, just these outside panels. So you're gonna get your first sheet, stick them on. This is pretty much all the coverage you need. You don't need to fill up all of the sides here. It's just this. So this is an acoustic barrier. This helps with vibrations on the wall. So it says here, you're gonna stick it up the top there, and you're gonna run it across the roof. Before we stick on stage 1, we're gonna clean all the walls, get any grease, dirt, grime, anything off. So we've just got a wax grease remover here. We're gonna spray, give it a good wipe, and we'll do that to all of the areas around the whole van, and then the adhesive on the back of stage 1 of this sound deadening will stick way better. I wanted to do a quick test before putting on the sound deadening. I have a sound meter here, so we're gonna go for a drive around the block, turn this on, see what it's like, put all of the sound deadening on, go for another drive, and let's see what this actually tells us. Do you think?
Show the power of the sound deadening.
Yes. Let's jump in and let's go for a drive. Let's start getting some sound deadening on, and let's see if it makes a difference. Now that we have the walls all super clean, we are ready to stick on stage 1, which is the sound deadening, up onto these outside panels. So I'm going to stick this first one here. All we need to do is peel back. Stick it on where you need it to go. So we're roughly going to stick it on the middle here. Just put it on with your hand. This is where you're gonna grab your roller. And you're gonna need to roll the whole surface area. Now this second piece that goes in here is obviously too big, so what I'm gonna do is put it into place, just mark where I wanna cut. Just grab a pair of scissors and make a cut. So now I'm gonna make my way putting all of these sound deadenings on all of these panels in here, and I'll get back to you guys once I've done that. So I'm just about to stick the sheet on this wall here, but I wanted to show you guys the difference that these can make. So like this is without, and this is with. So these really help with taking away that echo. So once you do the whole van, the echoing inside here, it just starts to disappear. Now I'm gonna stick this piece on here. That echo is gone. We are getting somewhere. So I have all of the walls done and the roof done. I actually did want to leave this one empty because we have a max air fan going here. But what I have done is that I've left this one empty because this is where the skylight is going, and that's what I'm going to work on next. So I'll put whatever's kind of left, we'll put some sound deadening on there. So we're getting near the end of the stage 1 sound deadening. All I kind of have left at the moment is to do these wheel arches. And I'm looking at doing inside the headliner as well, which is optional, it's not necessary, but we did do it in our last van, and I kind of want to see what the difference is on this one. So let's tackle this wheel arch here. I'm not going to leave any gaps like I have on the walls here, because my thought is that it's the wheel arch. There's a lot of road noise, the tyres under here, so let's see. cover this whole thing. That will help a lot with the road noise. This step isn't necessary, but I have some extra sheets, so I figured why not, let's throw a couple up there. It's not gonna hurt it. We have some anyway, so we're gonna throw some up. So that is it for stage 1 of sound deadening. I do have 2 boxes left, but I want to remove these seats here and put a single seat in, so I want to do the whole area in the front, put sound deadening all in the front of the van. But this is what we got so far. We have done all of the walls and the roof as well, and the wheel arches down here. Next is going to be the van liner. I'm going to fill in all of these gaps here with the 10mm foam. It goes from top to bottom. So we'll get that done. And it will be up here, so you'll just cover all of the metals now. I've done here and here, and a few little of the spaces there, and the one just behind me. I really wanted to get the roof done and all the little nooks and crannies finished. We are back at it today. I pulled the pin last night because I had to go get this one. But I'm back in the van and still cracking along with getting this van liner on. So what I'm working on this morning is finishing off the roof. So we're gonna leave this panel here because we've got a max air fan going. I just threw this one in. I gotta do this side, and we're gonna leave this because this is where our huge skylight is gonna be going. And then there's just those small little pieces that I need to cut off. So once you get some offcuts, I'll be able to use those to fill in these spots here. So I'm gonna get cracking, finish this roof off, get those small spots done. Then I'll show you guys what the van seal looks like. We won't actually install it today because we've got to wait for some cabling and other things to be done. But I can show you guys at least what it looks like. So I've pretty much put van line on every area except for the front. Have I done here actually? I lie. Be right back. I always forget about this door. Okay, now this is a lot better. We finished this door off. What I want to do is I want to go grab Dani, see if she is free, and take the car for a quick drive, and we'll use that sound sensor, and let's see if there's been any difference. Like, the echo in here is almost gone. It sounds different to me, so let's see if the meter shows anything. Let's go grab her. Are you free?
I can be.
Let's go for a drive.
Oh yeah.
Yes, let's do the sound sensor.
See what is measured.
It's one unique, one special vibe.
We made it back. Good result, I would say.
Yeah, let's double check. I can't remember the last one, but we can double check.
But it was a good result.
The tinny echo is completely gone. So it's definitely done something.
Yeah. And it feels much better being here already at the back.
Yeah. And there's only so much you can do. We got windows everywhere, so look.
And we still haven't done this part because of the skylight is going there, so that could affect as well.
Now we're just having a look into the stage 3 of our van liner deadening installation kind of process. This is the stage 3 that we're looking into. This now will go onto this wall from top to bottom. We're going to use this tape to then seal across the top here. It'll come all the way down. Then you're going to have, the idea is it's kind of like a vapor barrier. It's probably not going to be 100%. I don't think any vapor barrier is 100%. But it's going to help a lot that the heat will get trapped inside here and it just should bounce around, and hopefully it takes a little bit longer to get inside the van. And it should help a lot, but this is the idea.
Not just heat, cold as well.
Cold as well, yes. It'll be here, and then we're gonna do another one. We'll run a tape down to join these pieces together. And where we can use the car builder spray adhesive to spray it on the panels here, stick this van seal on. But we will not do that yet because we still have all of the cables to run. We still have framing to get up. There's a lot more work that still needs to be done before we can install this. This will be the second to last thing that goes up. Then the finishing panels will go over the top of this. But we're going to tackle that another day, and that is a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
See ya.